to Madhuri, to Suman, to Priya, to Kavita, of course,
Yeah.
to Vandana, to Vidya, to Prabha, to Rinku, to Saroj, Lokesh भाई तो of course हमारे भाई दो ही लोग हैं, बस दो ही लोग. पता है ये दो लोग कौन है? Let me tell you all. दो लोग हैं. एक तो रहते हैं बम्बई में, बांद्रा में, बैंड स्टैंड पे, ठीक है? कोठी का नाम है मन्नत. कौन हुए? शाहरुख खान साहब. और दूसरे हैं हमारे भाई लोकेश नथानी साहब. लोकेश, I don't know if you are aware or not. But I have dropped your name to show off in most of my webinars. और मेरे आप YouTube चैनल पे आप देख लो, मैंने अक्सर आपका नाम नेम ड्रॉप किया है वहां पे. And I let me show off थोड़ा ये. हमारे भी दोस्त लोग हैं थोड़े ऐसे, ठीक है? नीपा, रागिनी, of course, देविका, निधि, सुनीता, पायल, अनीता, बबीता, रुचिका. I am so sorry. I'll take 1 मिनट लगेगा, 30 सेकंड लगेंगे, ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, और सबको हेलो बोल दो.
No, definitely. It's all your time today.
Thank you. रुखसार, शमा, ममता, श्वेता, उर्मी, संगीता, मीना, बबीता. N can be wow, a lot of things. I mean, great. Hi N. Meenal, Deepa, Shweta, Dhani, Vasundhara, Sunita, Shubham, probably Lata, Rekha. I feel like वो स्कूल में नहीं होता, वो अटेंडेंस लेते हैं. Still I have to say, वही पहली मर्तबा जिंदगी में with so many wonderful ladies का मौका मिला है. I would like to say hello to everyone.
Yeah. Is this your first talk in all women forum?
No, actually no. नहीं, पहले कर रखा है मैंने. तो वहां से मैंने सीखा कि भैया सबके नाम एक बार बोल देना है, अच्छा रहता है.
Very nice.
संगीता, मीना, बबीता, मीनल, दीपा, श्वेता, दिवानी again, Vasundhara, Smita.
So we'll have a long list today, don't worry.
All right. Rekha, Swati, Goyal, Shivani, Dipshika, Manisha Agarwal, Meetu, Neha. Now
so nice of you. So nice of you.
Thank you. So now let me tell you a small little story first.
Yes, please.
In the year 1998, what had happened? I had got through Ferguson College, Pune after my schooling. So we went there to do a graduation. This is a very dear friend of mine with me, Mr. Hirendra Pratap Singh Bisan. Tall, handsome hunk Rajput, okay? Very handsome guy. तो हिरेन और मैं गए वैशाली होटल, वहाँ पे पूना में रेस्टोरेंट है. वहाँ शाम को 5:30 बजे एक स्पेशल डिश मिलती थी कॉल्ड SPDP, सेव पूरी दही पूरी. So we entered the restaurant and we saw, come closer, secret. कोई सुन लेगा घर पे कोई. We saw a very beautiful lady, just like you all, sitting on the table and looking at us like this. वो हिरेन ने मेरे को, wait, वो देख रही है. मैं कौन, क्या, किधर, कहाँ? So, and I myself saw this lady was like this, looking at us. मैं कहा, हाँ यार. So मैं तो जा रहा हूँ. मैं मार खाओगे सैंडल से. Don't go यार, don't go. अरे देख रही है, बुला भी रही है. And as we went closer to her, she said, "Ever you all this while? I was waiting for you. Come to me. Join me for a cup of coffee. Come. हाँ यार सच. And she was actually saying this. And real life incident, I'm telling you, it really happened. And it was around मई का महीना, जून का महीना था. 5th June 1998. I still remember the date. अब क्या हुआ? So I used to be a very introverted, shy, timid, little boy. Okay, मैं कभी today I have opened up. तब I was very shy. मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ यार, पिटेगा, मार खाएगा, मैं बचाने नहीं आऊँगा. Don't go. This guy mastered guts, and he went to a table and he pulled out the chair. वहाँ पे जाके, साहब,
बैठ गए।
बैठने वाले थे कि मोहतरमा ने
फोन हटाया।
यस ऐसे थी ना, तो यहाँ से फोन हटाया, फोन ऑफ किया टक, और मेरे दोस्त को बोला, वो बैठने वाले थे, वेटर 2 black coffees please. She thought he's a waiter who's come to take the order. And he thought कि भाई
उसको बुला रही है।
भैया पिटने वाले थे भाई साहब, है ना,
बच गए।
भाई साहब पिटने वाले थे, बच गए।
So लेडीज से बच के रहना चाहिए वैसे।
नहीं, moral of the story is not that. लेडीज से बच के नहीं रहना चाहिए, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं। They are wonderful beings यार। Men are from Mars यार, हैं? Women are from Venus भाई। Respect that. But what I'm trying to emphasize is the importance of communication and miscommunication.
Yeah.
Miscommunication हुआ ना, so भाई साहब तो वहां चले गए। And look what a simple communication or a miscommunication could have led to at the end of the day.
Correct.
मगर भाई साहब बच गए। अब एक और वाक्य सुनिए। I'm a golfer. I play golf very regularly. So one day I came from my 18 holes of golf from the golf course. ये वाक्य है नागालैंड का। I was posted there. I was in the army that time. तो नागालैंड में हम गोल्फ खेल के आए। उसके बाद फिर we went to the clubhouse for नींबू पानी and some refreshments. And we game खेला तो where we 100 chips or 200 chips, whatever. अब क्या हुआ? Little embarrassing, but I have to tell this to you because if I have to drive home the point of communication, I must tell this to you. भैया गोवा आए थे, तो my caddy had taken my golf set away. Again, true incident. So I had kept the golf balls in my pocket. और मैं golf ball pocket में क्या आ गया? I came inside. There was a lady in the cafe जहाँ पे हम गए थे, वहाँ पे, so hello captain, I was a captain that time, huh? Hello Captain Ali, how are you? Hello ma'am, I'm good, how are you ma'am, this that, yeah, बात। Then she looked down towards my pocket.
Oh, fish
नहीं, वहाँ pond नहीं था, pond lake तो था नहीं वहाँ पे, तो there was no fish over there. They were birds. They were very good hornbill and all. वहाँ नागालैंड की वहाँ पे national, वहाँ की state. What's this? So मैंने कहा भाई, these are actually, I'm so sorry ma'am, I was playing golf, so these are my golf balls. I had just to say. My goodness, yaar, must be painful. Must be really painful because I had heard of a tennis elbow, and I know I had suffered it myself. I knew how painful that was. Golf balls must be very, very, very painful. I was like, oh, I was cringing. भैया मैंने कहा ये होता है communication or miscommunication. भाई, now if I cannot communicate my point clearly to someone, and you know one thing, जब मैं college में था, I spoke about Pune 1998. In 1999, what happened? Now, don't say that Kargil war happened in 1999. That's what we all know. But something else also happened in 1999. 1999 में मैंने अपने second year के exam दिए थे college के, ठीक है? And when the result came, I did very well. But there was one particular subject, where you know how much I scored?
Which subject?
English.
Okay.
In English, I scored 1 out of 100. 100 में से एक number, भैया.
Oh my God.
You don't believe me, right? You think I'm exaggerating?
Absolutely no. Yeah.
Please check the records.
So that means you must have done a lot of hard work.
Actually, To get one or to overcome that barrier? Hard work to get one or to, huh?
Okay.
No, hard work to get one.
Hard work to get one तो भैया हमने मेहनत तो बड़ी की थी, but hard work to get 100. सबने बोला भैया must be 100 out of 100. One is impossible. तो मैं अपना पेपर रिवैल को दिया, रिवैल्यूएशन. लोगों ने कहा भाई रिवैल्यूएशन में कई बार नंबर कम भी हो जाते हैं. मैं इससे नंबर क्या होंगे कम? See, when you have hit rock bottom, no, there's only one way thereafter, and the way is up, 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 up. That's it.
Absolutely.
So, one से नीचे क्या होएगा? Zero तो नहीं मिलने वाला. And I had attempted full 100 marks. I was expecting almost 100 or 100 only, to be very honest with you. I don't know how that happened. And you can check Pune University, Ferguson College, 1999, Mohammad Ali Shah के records. आपको मिल जाएगा. मेरे पास मार्कशीट भी है. मैं भेज दूंगा उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लगा के मैं भेज दूंगा. I really got 1 out of 100. But now, everyone made fun of me, yaar. Dude, you are worth worshipping, man. Who failed in English? And that to get 1 out of 100 in English. My goodness, tremendous, bro. And I came from a very good school. I came from Lawrence School, Lovedale, pure English medium. So my English was good. And I had got distinction in class 12 in English. और यहाँ पे अंग्रेजी में 1 नंबर आ रहा है. तो मेरे को किसी ने एडवाइस करी, बुलाया, भैया, you are weak in English. I am weak in English? No, dude. I'm weak in English. You got 1, you failed. So that's, I don't know how that happened, but the fact is, I'm not weak in English. Weak in communication. Your communication skills are poor. You need to become stronger. I said, speaking English is different. Communication is different.
Absolutely, 100%.
Speaking Bengali is different. Communication is different.
Correct. Right word at the right time.
Absolutely. Speaking good Hindi is different. And good communication is different. For example, if I tell you, if I go to France, if I go to Paris, Paris mein, I have done a course in India only, in say Alliance France or some prestigious place that I speak French. I land up in Paris. I open my bag and take out my certificate that I am certified that I speak French. Okay. I take out the certificate and put on my face. Mathe pe chipka ke. I go around, I speak French, I speak French. But I actually don't know how to speak French. मैं certificate का क्या करूँगा भाई? अचार डालूँगा. But I have no certificate. Huh? I have done no course. But I speak French. So I land up in Paris. I go to a counter and I say, Bonjour, comment allez-vous? And I find my way about. Which is better? Having a formal certificate or the ability?
Absolutely. So ability, definitely.
Exactly. And even better, I have a certificate. I also have the ability. Which means, वहां जाके मेरे को नौकरी भी मिल जाएगी. I get a good job as well.
Yeah.
So, I'm a faculty at Subhash Ghai's Whistling Woods International in Mumbai. It's a film school. Okay. I train the acting students over there. अब सवाल ये है भैया, एक्टिंग मैं उनको भी बोलता हूँ, एक्टिंग चीज ऐसी है कोई आपको सिखा नहीं सकता. No one can teach you, but you can learn. आप सीख सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
And I'm a motivational speaker as well, and they supposedly, or I come on TV panels, they introduce me as defense and strategic expert. भैया हम expert कहीं से नहीं है. Expert मतलब मैं expert हूँ. मैं सब जानता हूँ. I don't know. I have never claimed an expert, but the way I put a point forward with an illustration,
that's more important.
With an anecdote, and make sure my listeners listen to me. They understand it is most important. Like, for example, I'll give you one more example. Right now, you look here at the tip of my 2 fingers, okay? I wouldn't hypnotize you, ये बात तो है. Don't worry. वो नहीं करूंगा, इस बार नहीं करूंगा, इस बार मैं माफ कर दूंगा। हमें हिप्नोटिज्म भी आता है भैया, ठीक है, अभी आपको हिप्नोटाइज नहीं करेंगे, आप बेफिक्र रहिए। बट जस्ट लुक हियर, while you are looking here, you tell me something in the room or around your surroundings which could be pink in color.
Very difficult to see anywhere else.
Exactly. So don't look anywhere else, and don't even, it is difficult. Now, don't look here. Don't look at my fingers. Look around the room. आस पास देखिए ना, सब जगह देखिए, देखिए देखिए देखिए, come. Good. Come on.
Yeah, so you want pink in colors. There's a cushion cover. There's a cushion behind you.
Very good. Now, when I told you to look here and then tell me what you could see which is pink, you could not say. Because you were looking here, you were not looking at the cushion cover. Your focus was here.
True.
But when I said, change your focus, look around, you will be able to find. Like, see, Jalaluddin Rumi, unki philosophy thi, unhone kya kaha? What you are seeking is seeking you.
Yeah.
You don't realize it, but it's a fact. So, इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि जब आप यहाँ पे देख रहे थे, तब वो पिंक आपके आसपास नहीं था? हाँ, तब भी था. आप बस उसकी तरफ नहीं देख रहे थे, so you could not say it is there. And when you shifted your focus from here, it was very much around you.
True.
Similarly, ladies and gentlemen, I'll take the thing of saying gentlemen because we have a couple of handsome gentlemen with us. So, apart from me, of course, I mean,
yes.
You. Okay. So what I'm saying is, similarly, happiness, joy, positivity, success, good communication skills, whatever we desire from life, it's just around us. हमारे ही आसपास में है, मगर हम उसको देख नहीं पाते. कई बार आपने देखा है, गौर किया है कि आप जल्दी में हैं, आपको कोई चीज मिल नहीं रही है और वो चीज आपके आसपास रखी हुई है, आप ढूंढ रहे हो, अरे where's it gone यार, where's it gone, अरे come on, यहीं पे चीज थी, and you are panicking, आप हड़बड़ा रहे हैं. क्यों होता है ऐसे? ऐसा इसलिए होता है बिकॉज हालांकि वो चीज आपके सामने ही है, आपको नजर नहीं आ रही है. यू आर पैनिकिंग, यू आर नॉट काम इनफ. शुड बी काम, कंपोज्ड, रिलैक्स्ड, चिल्ड आउट कंप्लीटली. एंड व्हेन यू आर काम, कंपोज्ड, चिल्ड आउट, आपको वो चीज नजर आएगी. अक्सर वो चीज आपके सामने होती है, हमें नजर नहीं आती, हम कहते हैं वो चीज है ही नहीं. You know, Kasturi, Hiran, a deer, goes berserk looking for, in the jungle, in the forest, looking for this particular smell it's getting, musk, this beautiful smell. And it's wondering, where is this smell coming from?
But it's right with her.
Exactly. It's right within itself. Similarly, I am telling you, for a fact, all of you are very good communicators. Now, let me tell you one thing. In the year 1999, I received my first invitation to speak on a TEDx platform. Okay. I was under the impression that TEDx पे कौन जाता है? ये हमारे लोकेश नज़ानी भाई है. Is he there or has he left?
No, he's there. His video is off.
अच्छा, okay, all right. So he organizes TEDx चौरंगी. पहले इन्होंने क्या ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कराया है, TEDx हैदराबाद, जो बहुत बड़ा नंबर 2 पैमाने पे हिंदुस्तान में आता है TEDx का. बल्कि ये भाई साहब, what's the pet name nickname you've given me, Lokesh bhai?
There are so many of them. You only choose whatever you want to share with them.
There's one name, you call me some Mr. something, na?
बहुत सारे नाम हैं. So I call him Mr. Ali, I call him storyteller. पिक्चर तो अभी शुरू भी नहीं हुई है. बहुत सारे नाम हैं.
अरे आपने एक नया नाम दिया था मेरे को, अब आप शायद खुद भूल गए हैं.
I'm aging. You can share that.
आपने कहा था मिस्टर टेड.
हाँ, Mr. Ted as well, yeah. Tell him कि यार कितने TED Talks दोगे तुम यार.
हाँ.
So Lokesh bhai had given me that nickname.
Rakini.
भैया तो अब Lokesh bhai would be doing better than any of us because his journey, I mean, look at the inspiration. Started
So he has given the highest number of TEDx talks internationally.
Lokesh,
That's-
wow.
No,
Lokesh,
no, she's talking about you, Ali. You are the
Yeah.
star today, not me. I'm a attendee. Like
भैया
everybody.
भैया मैं घबरा गया रागिनी, तुमने
Look.
कंपटीशन करा दिया. मैं कहा यार अब तक तो मैं था,
He's the
मेरे
one organizing.
Eh.
He's the one organizing.
मैं
And you are the one giving.
मैंने अभी तक तो नंबर मेरा था. अभी लोकेश भाई ने काट दिया, रातों रात छुपे रुस्तम निकले भैया, बहुत बड़े हैं. And I got insecure, like bloody hell. But let me tell you, I didn't get insecure. He's my brother. He's my bhai. He's my family, yaar. He's like my entire family is so fond of Lokesh. I can't even tell you, yaar. He is fabulous. I'll tell you something. What a big favor Lokesh has done to me in my life, which he may not have realized, but I will tell you about that as well. But it's going to be pertaining to the subject. So without drifting on the subject, I will tell you his story, that story as well. Huh? अच्छा, anyhow. तो मैं कहाँ पे था भाई, मैं बोली हाँ टेड की बात, जो पहली बार TEDx का ऑफर आया.
First, हाँ.
तो I wrote back to them. I'll forward the mail to you, बाद में आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. I said नहीं, because you know when this happened, उससे पहले my father had spoken at TEDx Hyderabad, which Lokesh Latani bhai had organized, okay? And मैं देखा स्टेडियम में इतने बड़े यार, thousands of people, and what a tremendous response. Whatever you said, amazing intellectual audience, they could understand what you were saying. So I was under the impression that TEDx pay only high achievers who have done something in life, who are well acclaimed, who are accomplished, only they go. ऐसा मेरे ज़हन में था. तो जब मेरे को ये invitation आया, I wrote back, no, you've reached some other Muhammad Ali Shah. It's not me that you're looking for. You're looking for somebody else. So then they wrote back that no, sir, we are looking for you, specifically you, and we would like you to be there. So I was very surprised. मेरे पास ताजुब हुआ, but anyhow, I did go there. And you know what happened in a 15-minute duration? वो अमृतसर में था. I received 3 standing ovations during the talk.
Wow.
भाई talk खत्म नहीं हुई है, मगर जनता खड़ी हो रही है. I was like, wow. I come from a hardcore theater background and hardcore theater family, so I have experienced the phenomena of a standing ovation. But after the performance, after the play, यहाँ पे talk खत्म नहीं हुई और जनता खड़ी हो रही है. And then I discovered a new talent. I said, भाई ये बात तो अच्छी है. Then I got reminded of the time before. Lokesh भाई, remember पृथ्वी थिएटर पे? You, वंदना, हम लोग थे. विवेक, we were like, कहानी तो अभी शुरू भी नहीं हुई है. सुनो तो भाई. And then who had joined us? Someone else had joined us.
Nandita had joined us later. Nandita Puri.
Nandita joined us later, and
Vandana, my friend.
who? Vandana was there, and there was somebody else. Yeah,
No, that's all.
that's all.
Me, you, Vivek, and Vandana.
All right. So मेरे को वो कहानी किससे याद आया कि भाई अब लोकेश भाई ने बोला स्टोरी टेलर. शुक्रिया, thank you very much. But you know, you'll be happy to know, I have made a slight progress. I have graduated on from being a storyteller to
TEDx speaker.
no. वो promotion नहीं हुई. To a story shower.
Okay.
मतलब I believe जब आप story narrate करते हैं ना, you should be able to see the story like a video before you,
Yeah.
and you should make your audience also see that story.
Yeah.
आपने story telling तो कर दी, but आप story shower बनिए ना, storyteller क्यों बने? तो and then जब story कहते हैं तो you should make somebody from the story, from the audience, to be the protagonist of your story. तब लोगों को इंटरेस्ट आता है, लोग आपकी बात सुनते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू मेंशन अबाउट फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट, मैं अक्सर जब एक इसे मैं गूगल मीट या जूम कॉल पे होता हूं, मैं बोलता हूं ओके वील प्ले अ गेम.
Okay.
एंड दैट गेम वुड बी फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट, मतलब जो पहले कमेंट
Type
लिखेगा.
करेगा.
एंड दूसरी बात, आई विल टेल यू अ स्टोरी. So the moment you choose this format, everyone is glued and they want to listen to you. Because क्या सवाल पूछेगा and then हाँ मेरे जेब में ना 2 चॉकलेट हैं, ठीक है, एक नहीं 2. तो जो पहला जवाब देगा सही जवाब, पहला जवाब नहीं सही जवाब, उसको ये चॉकलेट मिलेगी. और दूसरा अब वो चॉकलेट है कि नहीं है वो आप देखिए. आई एम आल्सो मैजिशियन बाय द वे. उस चॉकलेट को I can make them into rabbits as well, and I can pluck out rabbits from here. Anyhow, coming back to this, फिर अमृतसर में हुआ, फिर TEDx in an engineering college CMRTC हैदराबाद, वहां पे आया मैं, वहां पे हुआ, फिर रायपुर में हुआ. ऐसे करते करते भैया नहीं, I cannot say दीदी to you all, मगर मैडम
16 talks.
एक दौरान ऐसा आया कि हिंदुस्तान में कहीं पे towards the end of the year कोई एक ऐसा TEDx इवेंट नहीं हो रहा था
जहाँ आप नहीं गए हो,
जहाँ पे उनको लाइसेंस मिला हो और जहाँ पे मेरे को इनविटेशन मेल ना आ गई हो.
Wow.
फिर मेरे को किसी ने एडवाइस करा.
Standing ovation to you.
थैंक यू यार, सो स्वीट, थैंक यू. फिर मेरे को ये डाउट हुआ कि भैया समवन टोल्ड मी कि यार तुम बड़े TEDx टॉक्स दे रहे हो, इतने मत दो. तो मैंने लोकेश, सबसे पहले माय फ्रेंड फिलोसोफर गाइड, क्योंकि 2 ही लोग हैं, शाहरुख खान का नंबर तो मेरे पास था नहीं था, बट ही चेंज नंबर. दूसरा नंबर था भाई लोकेश भाई का. तो मैं लोकेश भाई को दोपहर को 3:18 पे, एंड इट वाज 27th November 2000. हाँ याद है लोकेश भाई, आई स्पोक टू यू. आई सेड कि लोकेश भाई ऐसा ऐसी बात है, लोग कह रहे हैं भाई बड़े TEDx टॉक दे रहे हो, क्या करें. यार दो ना. तो क्या हुआ, TEDx की टैगलाइन क्या है? Ideas worth spreading. If you have an idea which you need to spread, do it. अगर मेरे को 100 टॉक्स की इनविटेशन आए तो मैं 100 टॉक भी दूंगा, क्यों नहीं दूं. मैं कहा भाई अब he is Mr. TED actually. He's very modest to call me Mr. TED. He is Mr. TED. तो मैं जब Mr. TED बोल रहे हैं तो भाई ठीक है, makes sense. And I continued. ऐसे करते करते 16 TEDx टॉक्स दे चुका हूँ भाई.
wow,
एक चीज होती है जोश
amazing.
टॉक्स. थैंक यू.
yes,
जोश टॉक्स में 2 बार, MS टॉक्स, मोटिवेशनल स्पार्कल टॉक्स, फिर एक होती है इंक टॉक्स, उनसे बात चल रही है मेरी. तो ऐसे करके हिंदुस्तान में कहीं पे एक ऐसी कहीं टॉक नहीं हुई जो मैंने नहीं दी हो.
wow,
not showing off, I don't mean
No,
to show
no.
off, but I'm just telling you.
these are the facts.
And अब क्या हुआ, ऐसे करके लास्ट ईयर 2019 में सिलसिला शुरू हुआ TEDx का, एंड लास्ट ईयर ओनली आई टर्न्ड फ्रॉम अ थिएटर actors, there's no living, you don't earn anything, it's passion, you are there on stage, you love doing what you do, you're a craftsman. वहां से सिलसिला हुआ शुरू of a motivational speaker, and then the Cambridge University from the United Kingdom, from UK, they seen a TEDx talk of mine, Give Peace a Chance, where I say I was a soldier in the army and today I am a soldier for peace. Let's give peace a chance. उसमें मैंने
Can we have that clipping of yours where you are at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, doing the
oh yes, please, you have that, if you can play it, lovely.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Kavita Di, please do that. Kavita Di,
just a
please do
second.
that.
Just a second. Just give me a moment. So can you all hear it?
Grandmaster leading this contingent. हम हैं सीमा सुरक्षा बल क्यों बढ़े? The unique feature of the BSF user plans. We have the Assam Rifles Marching Contingent led by Major Mohammed. President Major Muhammad Shah, Sentinels of the Northeast. They have won 3 Ashok chapters, along with numerous other awards. Behind them, the Assam Rifles and Subedar Nargopal Sharma leading the combined brass and pipe bands.
Thank you very much.
That's really. आपको हर बार देखकर goosebumps होते होंगे जरूर.
Yeah, even now, seriously. See, ladies and gentlemen, I may not have been a hero, but I've had the fortune of marching besides a few good men who I would call are heroes of real life.
Right.
Truly, army soldiers are heroes of real life.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And you've been a major and from a family जो कि 200 साल से आप लोगों ने आर्मी में सर्व किया. I just heard in one of your talks that
Correct.
you're from a family wherein you all have served for last 200 years. It's amazing. You must be very, very proud.
Thank you very much. Thank you. But in countries like Israel, Singapore, Korea, it is compulsory for even the ladies and the gentlemen to join the army for a couple of years.
Yes.
तो मैं कहा हिंदुस्तान में क्यों नहीं भाई? वहाँ पे है तो यहाँ पे भी फौज का तजुर्बा सबको होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए.
और ये फर्ज है हमारा. It is our duty anyhow. So I was telling you about this Cambridge University. So when the Cambridge University invited me to come and give a talk, at the same time I was working on a film called The Broken Window, which has been produced by Priyanka Chopra. The dates were clashing. I couldn't really go there. So they said, not a problem at all. Not a problem. You do a webinar for us. अब webinar, अब seminar क्या होता है तो मुझे मालूम था, अच्छे से मालूम था. I attended some seminars. ये नई चीज.
Webinar.
ये webinar क्या होता है भैया? They're very simple. Just go on your Google Play Store, download the app from there. We'll send you a link and you'll be connected to us and you'll be able to address thousands of us in one go. WebEx पे था. तो मैं कहा WebEx, FedEx तो मैं सुन रहा FedEx एक होता है कोरियर. ये WebEx क्या हो गया भैया? तो anyhow, I have a mental block to technology. I'm not very technology friendly. I am technically challenged. So I said I will not be able to handle that. I tried to, but I couldn't manage it. And imagine for a stupid technological block of mind, I missed out on a brilliant opportunity like addressing the Cambridge University. Anyhow, now I was to visit Egypt around third week of March, abhi, to give a talk. मैं हिंदुस्तान में ही नहीं बाहर मुल्कों में भी आके बोलता हूँ and मेरे को अभी I still remember हम कुवैत में गए थे गल्फ में, ठीक है, where I did a play. I'll tell you the story of that play as well. Lokesh bhai has been very instrumental in helping me with that play.
Okay.
So we went with this play and there was this Arab, this sheikh, who came backstage after the performance and said, I did not understand what you were doing or what you were trying to do because I don't speak the language. It's in English, Hindi, Urdu, and a bit in Sanskrit, all right?
Okay.
But by the way you are doing it, I could make out it's something very nice. तो मैं कहा भाई भैया देखो ये होता है, इनको भाषा समझ में नहीं आई मगर ये आए और इन्होंने अप्रिशिएट करा. दिल की बात पहुंच जाती है भाई. अभी जैसे आपने like for example like Vandana, Sheeta, Shweta, Swati, you have put off your videos, but I can see you. Why I can see you? No, don't get scared. I'll tell you why I can see you. See, I have put this software, so even if your camera is off, not good enough, I'll still be able to see you. It's pulling you, like scaring you. Don't worry. मगर दिल की बात तो पहुंच जाती है भाई. दिल की बात तो पहुंच जाती है.
Absolutely wonderful.
Thank you very much. So क्या हुआ? So I said, ये मेरे को ख्याल आया 2019 का, where the Cambridge University had invited me over and I couldn't go. अब मैं इजिप्ट नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ तो मैं फटाफट गूगल प्ले से सारे एप्स, वेबएक्स, गूगल मीट, जूम, जितने भी ये एप्स हैं सब डाउनलोड कर लिए. अब डाउनलोड तो कर दिए है ना, इस्तेमाल करना आता नहीं भाई. हॉलीवुड में एक्टर बनना है, हॉलीवुड तो पहुंच गए भैया आप, वीजा लगा के ये वो. अब कहाँ जाएं, किससे मिलें, कैसे ऑडिशन दें, कहाँ फिल्म मेकर से मिलें, पता नहीं, तो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लिए. Now it took me 2 days to scratch my brain, sit down and I said, there's no other way. और कोई रास्ता भी नहीं है ना. देखिए जहां पे एक तरफ मॉल्स, सिनेमा हॉल्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, कैफेज, कॉफी शॉप्स, मार्केट्स, कंपनीज वहां बंद हो रही थी. They were suffering losses. They were thinking of contemplating of dehiring the employees, shortening the team. वहीं दूसरी तरफ मैं ये भी जानता हूं कुछ कंपनियां ऐसी भी हैं भाई जो प्रॉफिट्स ही नहीं मल्टीफोल्ड प्रॉफिट्स कमा रही थी इस पैंडेमिक में, इस लॉकडाउन में. और ये कंपनियां कौन सी थी? These were the digital companies, the communication,
Right.
all right, and the online companies. Like the share of Zoom in the first 4 days went skyrocketing.
True.
WebEx, all these online. So I said, I had learned in school and in the army, when the going gets tough,
Set up.
the tough get going. All right. But here I coined a new phase. When the going gets tough,
Communication gets going.
the tough get going nahi. Communication get going bhi sahi baat hai. Bilkul. When the going gets tough, the tough.
Amazing sentence.
Thank you. ये सुनिए आप. When the going gets tough, the tough get online.
Okay.
Wow.
तो मैंने कहा भाई और कोई रास्ता भी नहीं है. I have to go online. And I learned about these apps. Cut. And I was on. You know what happened after that?
Can
2
you
घंटे
please
के
share
बाद.
with us? Can you please share with us how many webinars you have done till now? You know, the other day I was speaking to him regarding inviting him for the thing, and he shared with me he's already done. Can you state that number, Major Saab?
I must have forgotten to likha hua hai. Let me just tell you. This is my 876th webinar in this pandemic, in this lockdown.
Oh wow.
What did I just say?
876.
876 webinar. और इसके बाद 877 करूंगा. And by tomorrow morning, I would have reached something where 900 something. Because I've been doing back to back. Thank you very much. Thank you.
God.
So, but and वो सिलसिला खत्म नहीं हुआ. उसके 2 घंटे के बाद जब मैंने ये apps डाउनलोड करे, you know what happened? 2 hours after that, I was on paid webinars, back to back. पता है मैं ना सोया नहीं हूं. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं. For 4 nights, I have not slept at a stretch. I've been working with a machine, like a machine, but I have been doing something I'm really passionate about. If you do something that you enjoy, you will never have to do a hardest work for the rest of your life.
Absolutely true.
You could be doing the simplest thing, which you don't enjoy. वो आपको बहुत मेहनत लगी उसमें करने में. तो मैंने कहा when the going gets tough, the tough get online, and the kind of income, revenue, business that I could generate in the last 3 months, I don't imagine ऐसा होएगा. But that's not important, ना? That is just not important. What is actually important is ये सुनिए, and I'm very proud of this. मैं अभी 1 महीने पहले मैं गाड़ी चला के आया बंबई से दिल्ली, ठीक है? Because pandemic, I can operate from anywhere. Why should I pay that exorbitant rent sitting in Bombay when I have a house in Delhi?
Absolutely.
In today's day and age, what I've learned is you can work from anywhere. Mussoorie ho, Meerut ho, Calcutta ho, Delhi ho, Bombay ho. You just need a good internet connection.
True.
Yes.
And I have visited over 100. I have visited. मेरा अगर passport thank you. 5 दो. आप सब दो. All of you. Come on. All of you.
High five.
Yes. High five. And you know, मेरा जो passport है ना, इतना खैर इतना मोटा नहीं है because I have not really traveled so much apart from all the Gulf countries and you know a few countries outside. मगर इस pandemic में I have visited over 100 countries without a passport virtually.
Virtually. Absolutely.
जो लोग like ईरान के लोग हैं, जब ईरान जब pandemic शुरू हुआ था, ईरान and Italy was suffering maximum casualties of COVID-19. ईरान के लोगों के साथ मैंने वेबिनार करे हैं who do not speak English. They do not speak Urdu or Hindi. They speak only Farsi. We didn't have a translator, but I did webinars where they would understand the language of the soul. They would still come for the webinar. And some countries in the West, like the USA and all, UK is about 6.5 hours behind us. US is about 12 hours behind us. So some countries in the West, I would do the webinar that night, the entire night. I would work. But I've been really deprived of work at one phase of my life. I've seen that phase, my lowest rock bottom. Lokesh Bhai knows this. I have touched the rock bottom. So when you have been deprived of something, you really realize the value of it. Anyhow, तो जरूरी बात ये है कि जहाँ पे बम्बई में मैं रहता था, मलाड में, in that area, I could be of a lot of assistance, a lot of help to the underprivileged, to the daily wage earners, to the stray animals. And I've got their blessings. Animals bless you. Yes, they do. And जब उनकी दुआएं लगती है ना सबकी, animals, humans भी तो animals हैं, मतलब जिन लोगों की दुआएं लगती है ना भाई, फिर तो, अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ आपको, in the year 2013, I had quit my regular 9 to 5 job. Army के बाद मैं Calcutta ही आया था. I had come to IIM Joka to IIM Calcutta. I did my management from there, and I got placed on campus. There were a lot of IITians with us, जो IIT और IIT दिल्ली से आए थे. भाई मैं तो घुटने पटकने वाला दिमाग से पैदल फौजी आदमी था, ठीक है ना, और मैं दाखिला हो गया भाई IIM जैसी जगह में. भाई घुटने पटकने वाला जाट साहब नहीं, मगर एक फौजी आदमी. अब now I had to really perform there, and I got placed on campus with a very good company. I got one of the topmost placements on campus. मैंने कहा भाई, और नौकरी मुझे करनी नहीं थी. ऐसे अगर नौकरी करनी है तो फौज की नौकरी, इट वाज नॉट नौकरी, इट वाजंट अ करियर, इट वाज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. फर्स्टली उससे बेहतर तो कुछ था ही नहीं मेरे लिए. बट नाउ वंस अगेन आई विल कम इनटू अ सिविल जॉब, कोई बात नहीं. But the salary that they offered us, the combination of an IIT IIM gets a very killing package. यहाँ पे an armed forces personnel plus an IIM graduate, I perceived it as a killing package. I went for my interview. Interview में ने मुझसे पूछा, how much do you expect from us? तो मैंने भाई जितना मेरे को फौज में एक साल में मिलता था, मैं इतना कोट कर दिया, ठीक है. I said, sir, I will this much. They looked at one another. ड्रॉ खोली, ड्रॉ में से कागज निकाला, put it before me and made me sign it. It was the contract, offer letter. I was very happy. भाई मान गए. मैं इंटरव्यू रूम से निकला, jumping with joy, and other candidates were waiting outside, other students, my professors were there. What happened? I cracked it, yaar, nailed the interview. मजा आ गया, got the job. So they, अरे वाह, congratulations, show me offer letter. Offer letter दिखाया. तो the placement head committee के जो president थे, जो the professor थे, हम students were assisting him. He saw my offer letter. He looked at the offer letter. He was very happy. And suddenly he became sad. He said, यार तुम ये बताओ, तुमने अपनी salary के लिए negotiate नहीं करा क्या? मैं सर क्या negotiate किया? I asked for a amount and they agreed readily. I was simple man, ना फौज से आया था अभी, so I didn't know much. So मैं sir, they agreed straight away. यार dude, they should have known that they have come to IIM Calcutta, and had you bid for double this, you would have got that. कई बार हम अपने complexities की वजह से, अपने ही complexes, अपने ही under confidence की वजह से रह जाते हैं. We don't know how to speak money. But today, in this pandemic, मैं घर में बैठ के But let me tell you one more thing. Out of 876 webinars, I've got paid for only 20 webinars. ये बात भी है.
That's so humble of you. You did that.
Thank you. ठीक है. उसमें मैंने जो भी था, but people said कि भाई, now at times you have to do something to create a goodwill.
Yeah.
Unless you generate a goodwill, it will not happen. only, see, when you start a business, you have to distribute a free sample for someone to understand and see the taste of the product.
True.
कल के webinar में, there was a lady, I don't know if she was there, one of you were there. Yes, the name matches. Was it you? आप ही थी ना, मैडम? आप नहीं, आपसे बात कर रहा हूं मैं. हाँ, आप जी हाँ, ऐसे कर रही हैं, कैमरा ऑफ करके. हाँ, आप. क्यों मैं कहता मैं देख पाता हूँ अगर कैमरा भी ऑफ होगी तो. So there was a lady in the webinar, very nice lady, very pleasant. So she was like talking that, in this pandemic, I have attended 2 webinars. तो मैं अपने दिल में बोला यार भाई क्यों यार, सिर्फ 2 ही क्यों? But बेचारी she was talking with a lot of, she was elated, खुल के भाई 2 webinar कर लिए हमने. I felt good यार कि भाई चलो ठीक है, you have to make a start somewhere. जैसे मजदूर सुल्तानपुरी ने कहा था, मैं तो अकेले ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल. मैं तो अकेले ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवा बनता गया. तो ये कविता जी के लिए बहुत ही एप्ट है. Because I know your entire success story. And you didn't give up. You fought all odds and you were there. You are there where you are today. And today we all are like listening to you. Listening to me, वो अलग बात है, but listening to you in the way that. अच्छा, so ये तो रही pandemic की बात. तो from work from home, there are a lot of ways, a lot of options to do it from work from home. अब मैं आपको एक सुनाता हूँ हकीकत का किस्सा. वे मेरा फ्रेंड पेरिस गया था to perform a play. And what happened there? सुनिए. भाई साहब तो चले गए पेरिस. वहां पे प्ले की परफॉर्मेंस थी. Real life story. Just about 2 years back. And he had to address the gathering. तो इतना तो मालूम था. Bonjour, Kawatalevu और 2-4 और शब्द आते थे, ठीक है? Up now he did not know how to address them. Then how do you say good evening, ladies and gentlemen? Bonjour तो बोल दे. Bonjour, ladies and gentlemen कैसे बोले भाई? तो an idea occurred to him. वो ऑडिटोरियम थिएटर के बाहर गए. वहां पे वॉशरूम्स नहीं होते, लेडीज एंड जेंट्स लिखा होता है. तो उन्होंने वहां पे पढ़ लिया और वहां पे साइन भी था, लेडीज एंड जेंट्स. So he went there and he addressed. I'll translate in English what he said in French. उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग है, आपको भेजने की कोशिश करूंगा मैं. He said, "Good evening, ladies' toilets and gents' toilets." Okay, so this is how important actually communication is. Really, it actually is. And everybody burst into splits. What the hell? Good evening, gents' toilets and ladies' toilets. ये क्या हो गया भाई? So it's very important. अच्छा, now February में, my neighbor in Mumbai, very moneyed people, a lot of rolling in money. They bought a brand new luxury car, topmost segment, in this February. March में तो भाई लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया.
Yeah.
तो उसकी इतनी महंगी गाड़ी किस काम की? It was sitting there, lying there, eating dust.
Absolutely.
Rotting over there.
Invest in yourself.
Invest in yourself, exactly.
Correct.
I didn't have a luxury car like his, but I had an ability. I had a skill. I had some amount of talent for whatever it's worth. Some knowledge about something. एक बुरी आदत बचपन से है मेरी, वो है to read extensively. मैं बहुत किताबें पढ़ता हूँ, बहुत सारा. You tell me after reading a book, I can quote on which page, which paragraph, which line. ये line है.
Yeah, leaders I had read somewhere.
Thank you. So I had an ability. तो मैंने अपना mental block था बस टेक्नोलॉजी का वो तोड़ के, and today वो ability का मैं फायदा उठा रहा हूँ, and I am there. So knowledge, विद्या, this is that wealth. ये वो धन है ये कोई भी आपसे चुरा नहीं सकता.
Correct.
जितना बांटोगे उतना बढ़ेगी.
पड़ेगा.
So I have been doing back-to-back webinars, and I am only holding my skills as well.
Absolutely.
So now I want to tell you all one thing. Now I'll come to Lokesh bhai. भाई बम्बई में जब मैं बम्बई गया ना, I went and met Vishal Bhardwaj. I told him, sir, I got to know कि आप Hamlet बना रहे हैं, Hamlet in Kashmir, Hyder. वो Hyder. So जाहिर सी बात है, अगर आप कश्मीर में कर रहे हैं शूटिंग, तो जाहिर सी बात है फौज का जिक्र तो उसमें होगा ही होगा. और आप अगर बम्बई में ढूंढने भी जाएं, आपको कोई भी एक्टर नहीं मिलेगा जो हकीकत में फौज से आया हो, who has lived on the border, who has fought active counter-insurgency, who has put his life at stake on several occasions, safeguarding a national frontier, safeguarding a motherland. And who will perform for you? जो एक्टर भी है, जो थिएटर करके आया है. और यही नहीं, it's sometimes VFMs you have to give. VFMs is what is in it for me.
Yeah.
If I try selling something to you, आप तो ले लोगे, क्यों लेंगे भाई for that product? And what over and above are you getting? ये मैंने मार्केटिंग में सीखा था, वो भी IIM से. तो उससे बेहतर मार्केटिंग तो दुनिया में, मतलब हिंदुस्तान में तो खैर तो कोई नहीं सिखा पाएगा. तो आई टोल्ड हिम, सर आप मेरे को लोगे ही लोगे, मैं फौजी भी हूँ, एक्टर भी हूँ, थिएटर से भी आया हूँ. उसके अलावा आई विल फॉर्म अ टीम, आई विल गिव यू रियल आर्मी मैन. हकीकत के फौजी दूंगा आपको जो एक्शन करेंगे. सो यू विल नॉट हैव टू टैक्स योर एक्शन टीम. भाई कैसे करोगे? यू नीड परमिशन फ्रॉम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस. You cannot do it without them. Sir, don't worry. You leave that on me. I will handle it. And to get permission from Ministry of Defense is a very cumbersome procedure. कुछ एक 4 साल लग जाएंगे for the file to move, to deal with the government. Sir, don't worry. वो मेरा headache है. तो मैं अपना दिमाग लगाया. To do one single thing, they are over 10 billion zillion ways of doing it. हम लोग अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाते हैं. To work from home, there's several ways to work from home and generate income. But if Mark Zuckerberg, what's his name? Have I pronounced it right? Mark Zuckerberg?
We understood. The Facebook owner.
Yeah.
Communication. See, you understand. That is what. भलाई आपने अंग्रेजी गलत बोली हो, भाषा गलत बोली हो, but जो intention था वो समझ में आ गया ना. दिल की बात पहुंच जाती है. Imagine if he's making money while sleeping. He's sleeping, okay, not working. He's sleeping, and here people are signing up for Facebook, for his app. True. They're using it. He's making money.
True.
हमने सोचा भी नहीं था. Today he's one of the richest people in the world.
Absolutely.
And you know, when he called for a meeting to discuss about his idea of Facebook, I'm starting this idea. People didn't even come for the meeting. और जो लोग आए, they didn't believe in his idea. Those who believed couldn't really do much. They couldn't execute or do anything for him. Rajni, come back. Don't put on the video because I can still see you. All right. So they could not really help him much. But look at that idea and it clicked. Have you ever thought when you're starting a business, why some business ideas work and why some businesses don't work? It's very simple actually. It's very, very simple. सोचिए आप. मैं तो पानी पी लूं.
Towards it.
Very good, very good. और कुछ?
Intention, passion, service.
That is the idea. That is the answer I was looking at.
Yeah, if it is serving, if it is solving your problem, people will.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. आपके तो खून में ही है ना? भाई अग्रवाल लोगों के तो खून में ही होती है धंधा, business. Like गुजरात में. I had got through IIM Ahmedabad. Like I had got through IIM Ahmedabad. I didn't choose IIM Ahmedabad, but I chose IIM Calcutta for various reasons. And IIM Ahmedabad is considered to be the topmost B school.
Yes.
IIM Ahmedabad मैं इसलिए नहीं गया because it's very entrepreneurship oriented. But मैं Calcutta इसलिए गया. इसलिए मैं IIM Ahmedabad नहीं जाना था. वहाँ जाना था. But I wanted IIM Calcutta over and above that. Why? Not because some of you wonderful ladies stay there. मैं आपको तब जानता भी नहीं था. उसकी खास वजह ये थी, I was born in Calcutta first.
Yeah, yes.
My sister lives in Calcutta.
Okay.
And the main attraction towards Calcutta, it wasn't an attraction towards a girl. It was I was a bachelor that time. वो अलग बात है. I got married and then I went the next day. वो अलग बात है. So it couldn't have been that. I went the very next day. आज शादी करी. अगले दिन हम गए. वहीं पे हनीमून था हमारा. खैर. Why I went there was because Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute of India, SRFTI, is in Calcutta. उनके साथ मेरा एक खास रिश्ता रहा है. And even when I was in Pune for my graduation years, I spent more time at FTI than in my own college. I did a lot of short films with them. और जहाँ पे मेरे लिए, the first film I did was in late 1990s actually. Saeed Mirza was making a film. He was doing a workshop with the students of the FTI, Film and Television Institute of India. And it was a short film, about 28 minute की होगी वो film. उसपे मेरा 5 सेकंड का रोल है. भाई जितने भी लोगों ने जिंदगी में बड़ा बनाया है ना, सब ने छोटों से शुरू किया है. छोटे से शुरू करके फिर बड़े बने हैं. पैराड्रॉप नहीं हो गए हैं वो.
Absolutely.
जिसको विरासत में मिला वो कहीं ना कहीं तो डगमगा गया. He would not know what happens at the base, at the grassroots level. अरे भाई ये कौन है? मैं अभी देखा. शशि जैन, आप लेट आई हैं क्या मोहतरमा? ये हमारी खास दोस्त हैं. और ये हमारा प्ले देखने भी आई थी कलकत्ते में. मैंने प्ले किया था जो लोकेश भाई ने और माय सिस्टर हैड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. आप कब आई? जब मैं सबके नाम ले रहा था तो आप नहीं थी. हैं?
Yeah, I was late. I was in a session. It got late.
छुपे सेशन.
अब आप बड़े काम करते, हम छोटे-छोटे तो करते.
Naughty you. Which session? Let us share that with us.
A life coaching session.
Oh, life coaching. फिर ठीक है. So specify करो ना. सेशन कौन सा सेशन? भाई कम्युनिकेशन तो मैं समझ लूंगा. कुछ और सेशन में आप गए थे.
Communication is everywhere ना. Communication is the key. It's everywhere.
भाई मैंने कुछ और सेशन समझ लिया. अब कौन सा सेशन समझा वो तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. खैर. All right. When did you
We'll continue that on personal chat.
Okay, fine. But when did you come in?
Just 10 minutes.
हाँ, दबे पाऊँ बैक डोर एंट्री छुप के हैं. Anyhow.
Celebrities फिर भी दिख जाती है ना.
I know. भाई मैं बताऊँ. शशि डुगर ने कहा था मेरे को एक बार, और वो बात अब तक मेरे को याद है. स्टार्स हमेशा लेट आते हैं. तो है ना. तो anyhow. तो वे होता है. भाई डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया भाई. अच्छा.
आप अपने हनीमून पर थे.
हाँ, हमें हनीमून करने हम कलकत्ते गए. वहां पे IIM कलकत्ता में. And then a lot of skills I learned over there, which helped me in real life as well. फौज में तो मैं मैनेजमेंट ऑन ग्राउंड सीखी थी, और यहाँ पे ऑन पेपर सीख लिया. शशि, टेल द ट्रूथ, तुम मेकअप लगा रखे आई हो हैं. 1 घंटा मेकअप लगाने लगता है क्या? That is a session I know. That's the session I understood. मेकअप पोत के ज़रा 1 घंटा लेट आ गए सेशन पे हैं. मैं समझ गया. That's what you were doing. You were dolling up. So कि all ladies over here यार.
कुछ चीजें पर्दे में ही रहने दो. इमेज कंसल्टेंट हूँ. इमेज तो बना के रखना पड़ेगा.
ओहो, ओके. इमेज कंसल्टेंट से याद आया. See, the choice is ours, huh? Good looking or looking good? Choice is yours. Good looking. Good looks तो we inherit from our parents, right?
Yeah.
उसमें क्या योगदान है हमारा? कोई contribution नहीं है, कोई मेहनत नहीं है. But looking good is people like Sashi who makes us look good.
True.
Who build our image.
Absolutely.
So whenever, like, there's a cousin of mine, she lives in Meerut. Sashi and her are very good friends. Madhya. वो भी image consultant है. अभी मैंने उनका live किया था कुछ 2-4 दिन पहले. And she was talking very highly of you, Sashi. But गलतफहमी हो गई उनको शायद. गलतफहमी हो गई यार.
आप इस खुशफहमी में जिए.
उर्दू इस खुशफहमी में सीखे. वो तलफ़ुज़ नुक्ते पे पूरे I'm कमाल कर दिया यार. कहाँ से भाई? I'm impressed. Anyhow. अब भाई डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया यार सच में. Now where was I actually forgot. पानी पीना पड़ा. I have to calm down.
You were still in your honeymoon only. You got distracted there.
नहीं, आप दिल्ली फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट.
हाँ, तो जब मैं पूना में था, I did a lot of short films with Pune Film Institute. और जिन फिल्मों में रोल नहीं था मेरे लिए, I would be the चाय वाला on the sets. I would serve chai, snacks, pani, lift the camera, the tripod, the reflectors, the equipment, I had got special permission to sit for the editing, dubbing, learn the craft of filmmaking. Oh, who are you? Towards the end of my days in Pune, I actually managed to get a certificate from FTI without being enrolled over there. I have a certificate today from Dr. Mohan Agashe, जो उस टाइम पे डायरेक्टर थे. Seeing my interest and my passion, I spent more time at Shantaram Pond, Wisdom Tree. वो FTI की areas हैं वो.
Okay.
गर्मी लग रही है मेरे को. आपको भी गर्मी लग रही है क्या? My AC doesn't seem to be working यार. आपका AC काम कर रहा है ना? फिर ठीक है.
Yes.
ये तो कोट पहना है ना इसलिए. Hey, I smell some very good perfume, by the way. किसने लगाया ये perfume? Own up. Ritu, you have put that perfume, huh? अब आप सोचते हैं रितु कौन है इसमें? रितु कौन है भाई?
I have to see the participants list when you take a name.
भाई कोई बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू लगा के आया because probably is it because you heard about my Kasturi story or is it because good? I always say one thing in this pandemic: look good, look the part, dress well, feel good about yourself. If we feel good, our outcome will also be good.
True.
Maintain a schedule, maintain a routine, which is like wake up early in the morning, exercise, do your yoga, meditation, have your breakfast on time, इस time पे. Start your work. एक घर में किसी कोने में या एक कमरे में, कोना इसलिए बोलता हूँ क्योंकि बम्बई में ना pigeon hole. जब मैं बॉम्बे में था, I didn't have a room. I didn't have the luxury of having a room. I had a corner. एक कोने को मैं अपना working station बना दिया. अब दिल्ली आ गया. दिल्ली में तो भाई अभी मैं ड्राइंग रूम में बैठा हूँ. You can see मस्त. So you have a corner, work from there. A housewife does not mean कि भैया my mother is a homemaker, my wife is a homemaker. That does not mean कि भाई, and they are very good at the work. They're very good. You to be a homemaker, you means you are the boss of the house. You're the manager of the house. आप मालिक हो भाई. हम जैसे लोग डरेंगे आप लोगों से. हाँ. मैं तो भीगी बिल्ली बन जाता हूँ ये कर रहा हूँ. डंडा, बहुत डंडा. Anyhow, so choice तो हमारी है. अब anyway फिल्मों की बात बताता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? FTI में ऐसे रोल करे मैंने. फिर उसके बाद मैंने पहली अपनी फीचर फिल्म करी थी. छोटा रोल था. A film called Agent Vinod. My scenes were with Kareena Kapoor in that. सैफ अली खान थे. And उसके बाद हैदर आई. उसके बाद I had a chance meeting with Salman Khan and he recommended me for a film called Bajrangi Bhaijaan. अब आप बोलेंगे बजरंगी भाईजान में कहाँ था भाई ये? हमें तो नजर नहीं आया, है ना? हाँ यही सोच रहे हैं आप. मैं जानता हूँ. दिल की बात पहुंच गई. इतना छोटा रोल था ना भैया. भैया नहीं, दीदी भी नहीं बोलूंगा, मगर मैडम. इतना छोटा रोल था मैडम. भाई साहब आपको मैं भैया बोल सकता हूँ मैं, है ना? आपको क्या आपने ऑब्जर्व भी नहीं करा होगा, ठीक है? So I did Bajrangi Bhaijaan and then then at that time, this is like 2013-14 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. 2014 में मैंने फिल्म साइन की थी called Yara, directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia and produced by him as well. He had made Hasil, Sahib Biwi, Gangster, Pan Singh Tomar. He won a national award for that. He's from the National School of Drama. So Gangs of Wasipur में रामाधीर सिंह जो बनते हैं. So I signed up for this film. He had seen my work in Hyder and he liked my work in Hyder. And then he signed up. Stories! याद आया कुछ stories? I know one of someone personally out of you all. अब वो कौन है उनको मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा. उनको storyteller. Anyhow. So अब वो उस फिल्म में it's a dream role. सरदार की भूमिका है. A Sikh a Sikh cop, a Sikh policeman. So the day I signed this film, I went off to Amritsar, to the Golden Temple. एक रक्सैक था, उसमें 2-4 जोड़ी कपड़े थे. मैं अमृतसर पहुंचा. वो नहीं होता वो विक्रम. I didn't have much money at that time. So वो पैसे बचाने के लिए वो विक्रम नहीं होता, वो टेम्पो.
Okay, yes.
उसमें शेयरिंग करके लोग चलते हैं. Everyone pays. So वहां से मैं स्टेशन से जहाज से भी नहीं गया था, ट्रेन से गया था, ठीक है? तो जहाज से वो भी जनरल डिब्बे में विदाउट रिजर्वेशन. जो जनरल डिब्बा नहीं होता उसमें अखबार बिछा के जमीन पे बाथरूम के बाहर कॉरिडोर में. I slept over there and I reached अमृतसर. और वहां से मैं विक्रम पकड़ के मैं पहुंचा अमृतसर गोल्डन टेम्पल. जब मैं गोल्डन टेम्पल पहुंचा ना, मेरा रक्सैक था. एंड मैं गोल्डन टेम्पल को देखते 10 मिनट बाहर देखता ही रहा, बस देखता ही रहा।
वो मॉन्यूमेंट ही ऐसा है।
क्या वो मॉन्यूमेंट भी नहीं है, मॉन्यूमेंट तो हुआ जलियांवाला बाग उसके पास में। So, okay, very cute actually, thank you, very cute of you too. Okay, so मैं वहां पे पहुंचा, I was so sweet. I thought it was a very, very sweet statement. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't hear who said it, but it was a very sweet voice who said it. इतना जरूर है। So मैं वहां पे देखता ही रहा, and फिर मैं अंदर गया, I went and introduced myself to everyone over there. To people, I said, "Bhai, I am Ali." They all knew I am Muhammad Ali Shah. I told them I served in the army and I want to learn about Sikhism. Now there is no pabandi आप कौन से caste, religion, region यहाँ से आए हैं. Everyone is welcome over there. But why do you want to learn about Sikhism? Not for the role only, but I want to learn for my own knowledge. मैं भी बोला ना, विद्या धन ये एक ऐसा wealth है which you'll never lose it, never. And even when I'm 80, so I went, एक कोना मेरे को मिल गया वहां पे कुक हाउस में. वहां पे मैंने पहले फर्श पे झाड़ू लगाई, अच्छे से पोछा लगाया. I kept my rucksack there. I introduced myself to everyone और कुक हाउस में अच्छे से हाथ मुंह धो के वहां पे मैं सब्जी काटने लग गया. So I would cut onions, cut the vegetables, pick up the dirty utensils, wash them, do the झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन, full सेवा I did over there. I would wake up at 4 in the morning, make tea in the day for everyone. उसकी photographs मैंने Facebook पे लगा रखी हैं. मेरे Facebook पे है मोहम्मद अली शाह. Anyone who writes to me on Facebook, I give a reply. Anyone who follows me on my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel is on YouTube by my name Mohammad Ali Shah. I get a mail and the person gets a personal reply 100%. It might take time. It might take 24 hours, but it's a guarantee. Not more than 24 hours.
Wow.
मैं आधे घंटे कम सो जाऊं कोई बात नहीं. खाने के वक्त थोड़ा कम खाना खा लूं, वो टाइम बचा के, खाना नहीं टाइम बचा के, मगर मैं जरूर पर्सनली बाय नेम उसको लिखता हूं, बाय नेम. और मैं खुद लिखता हूं. इट्स नॉट अ रोबोटिक और सम मशीन और सम पीआर. आई डू इट माई सेल्फ. सो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए. इट इज फ्री, सब्सक्रिप्शन इज फ्री, शेयरिंग इज फ्री. It only helps me to reach out to more people and spread positivity. That's all. अब हुआ यूं, Golden Temple में I started growing my hair and my beard. I got influenced over there and I quit smoking. सबसे अच्छी बात ये हुई, I actually quit smoking in 1 day's time. Every 31st December I would say, okay, I will quit smoking. I would live up to my resolution till 1st January afternoon or by evening, but उसके बाद I would go back to Ali that I was. शशि, जब तुम प्ले देखने आई थी, मैं तो देखा हुआ है भाई. वहां पे हम रॉक्सी गए थे, हम लोग, लोकेश, यू, हम सब कितनी सिगरेट पी होंगी वहां पे. ठीक है, तो नहीं, तुम भी इल्जाम नहीं लगा रहा. तुमने नहीं, तुम तो संत हो. ठीक है, हमने पिए. ठीक है. ठीक है. तो खैर उसके बाद I quit smoking and I grew my hair, grew my beard. 6 मीटर की पगड़ी बांधनी सीखी मैंने, हाथ में कड़ा डाला. The 5 Ks, कछा, कृपान, कड़ा, पूरा. I followed Sikhism there. I read the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, complete करी है मैंने, the English version. And you cannot read the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji like this. You have to have a पगड़ी, दाढ़ी, केश, कंगन, सब कुछ. And पंजाबी बोलनी सीखी मैंने. I'm from UP. मैं यूपी का भैया हूँ, ठीक है, मगर पंजाबी बोलनी. And people told me not required. क्यों सीख रहे हो? आपको फिल्म में पंजाबी नहीं बोलनी है. But tell me one thing, unless and until I am convinced that I am not Ali, I am Jasjeet Singh, the character that I am playing, how will I convince you or anyone else that I am Jasjeet? Oh. I'll tell you another story. A man walks into a sculptor's chamber. He is greeted by a beautiful statue at the entrance. And he sees the sculptor making a similar statue there. And the sculptor tells him, this statue is going to replace the one at the entrance. And that one will be destroyed, thrown away. Why? It's such a beautiful statue. It has a defect. Defect? Let me go and see. कोई defect नजर नहीं आता. He says, if you look carefully behind the left ear of that statue, there is a white dot. जो गलती से आ गई है, जो नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. He goes and looks again. He can't find any defect. He said, you will not be able to make out, but I know about it, so I will be able to make out. And as long as I know about it,
Yeah.
I will not be able to be in peace. That is integrity. Being honest and truthful to your own self when no one is watching you.
True.
And that's perfection. तो मैं अपना रोल करने की पूरी परफेक्शन से, पूरी मेहनत से, मुशक्कत से मैं लग गया, पूरी शिद्दत से मैं तैयारी करी. अब मैं उस फिल्म के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं? फिल्म तो बड़ी अच्छी है. Timanshu Dhulia had faith in me. There's Shruti Hassan, Vidyut Jamwal, Amit Saad, Vijay Verma, Kenny Basumatri, Sanjay Mishra, Shreya Narayan, Ankur Vikal, Shreya, and Shaurya Khare, अनुराग पांडे. बड़ी अच्छी कास्ट है इसकी. और सब खास बात है, एक्टर हैं उसमें, क्राफ्ट्समैन है. आई एम एन एक्टर, आई एम एन क्राफ्ट्समैन, आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट, आई एम नॉट अ स्टार. मैंने कभी सपना देखा नहीं कि अभी स्टार बनूंगा, हीरो बनूंगा, रिच एंड फेमस, ग्लैमर, ग्लिटर. ना, I went for the most unglamorous roles. If Kavita, if you can find Google Pay, is it YouTube Pay? Is it possible to YouTube and you can just play it? Muhammad Ali Shah Tashkent Files.
Yeah. Let me just find.
We'll show them. There's a scene of mine with Nasir Saab, with Mr. Nasiruddin Shah, who's been my mentor incidentally. I had not got through the National School of Drama. So while Kavita is searching for it, I'll tell this to you. I had not got through the National School of Drama twice, not once, but twice. But today I am a visiting faculty at a film school. And all my fellow, my colleagues are from the NSD, or from FTI, or from Lee Strasberg, or from New York Film Academy, or from NYU. When there's a will, there's a way. How did it happen? मिल गया आपको?
Yeah.
ये देखिए भाई.
This one only?
Yes. ये. Correct.
No media. No media. I said no media. Back up. Roku ही नहीं, क्या करें? Get back, media. Roku ही नहीं.
Namaste, Aditya Raj ji.
Namaste, आइए. What has happened, Natarajan ji?
What's that?
Read this.
Oh, yes. I've read it. And I laughed.
Please put on the social media site for me. Twitter trending at number 1. Facebook trending at number 3. Instagram trending at number 1. You still want to laugh? Who killed Shastri? जैसे हमने मारा हो. It was a heart attack, for God's sake. उनको पहले भी heart attack हो चुके थे.
आप क्यों जवाब देते हैं? We are not the guilty party. This is a plot. और आप देखिएगा कल तक सब भूल जाएंगे लोग. सोशल मीडिया के जमाने में लोगों को पास्ट में नहीं, फ्यूचर में इंटरेस्ट है.
आप सही कह रहे हैं, लोग भूल जाएंगे. हाँ, और ऑपोजिशन इसको नहीं भूलने वाली है. त्रिपाठी जी इस मुद्दे को तब तक ध्यान रखेंगे जब तक अगले चुनाव नहीं होते.
If I know त्रिपाठी जी वो इलेक्शन में रिलीजन को ही मुद्दा बनाएंगे.
Really? चलो.
शास्त्री जी मरे या मार दिए गए, ये इस देश के मुंह पे ऐसी कालिक है जिसे मिटाने की
ये बड़ा लंबा सीरीज थोड़ा फॉरवर्ड कर दिया. कम टुवर्ड्स द एंड.
कोशिश में मौत के पीछे
more. हाँ वहाँ और वहाँ छोड़ दिए वहाँ पे. यस. हल्का सा रिवाइंड कर दिया. हल्का था. और थोड़ा रिवाइंड कर दिया. थोड़ा और रिवाइंड. थोड़ा. Yeah, I think that should do. Yes.
बनेगा नहीं, बन चुका है. जो पॉलिटिशियन मुद्दा नहीं खत्म कर सकता ना, मुद्दा उसे खत्म कर देता है. देखिए नटराजन जी, 2 बार आप लोकसभा का इलेक्शन हार चुके हैं, राज्यसभा की सीट से आप अंदर लेके आए हैं। अगर तीसरी बार आप इलेक्शन हारे ना, तो आप खुद मुद्दा बन जाएंगे।
ठीक है, तो समझिए मुद्दा खत्म।
ठीक है, मिल सी
जवाब नहीं है त्रिपाठी जी की टाइमिंग का।
सर ये इशू आपसे रिलेटेड भी नहीं है, तो ये आपसे क्यों सर?
क्योंकि हमने
Okay, thank you very much, thanks a lot. This was one scene जो मैं कई scenes थे ऐसे भैया। बजरंगी भाईजान में भी कुछ कहानी ऐसी हुई। बजरंगी भाईजान ने पैसे पूरे मिले मेरे को, शूटिंग भी करी, सलमान खान से बड़ी अच्छी दोस्ती भी हुई, और भैया सीन जब हम आए ना कहीं नहीं। और अच्छा हुआ मैंने फेसबुक पे ही लगाया था भाई, आई वुड बी इन बजरंगी भाईजान, देखते रहे बेइज्जती हो जाती मेरी। बट दिस समथिंग यार आप जरूर देखेगा। 30th July on Z5 is releasing. I'm playing the role of a Sikh policeman. And let me show you the look. I mean, Kavita, is it possible जो मेरा Facebook, we are friends, मेरा Facebook cover photo is that. I'll just show you the transition between Ali and Jasjeet. That photo अगर आप दिखा दे तो it will be like great.
I'll just open that.
Thanks यार, thanks Lord. अगर उसमें नहीं है तो एक तरीका और भी है मेरे पास. I can tell that to you. शशि डुगर, क्या हाल है? वर्चुअल थम्स अप भी ऑल्सो दे सकते हो, ठीक है? अगर नहीं मिल पाएगा कोई बात नहीं, मिल गया?
This is the one.
Yeah, this is the one. Exactly. But that's me, huh?
Yeah.
Left पे is me as Ali, and right पे is the character Jasjeet Singh. यो real दाढ़ी है, real केश है, 6 मीटर की पगड़ी है जो मैंने खुद बांधी सीखी, और ये पगड़ी मैंने खुद बांधी हुई है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So I thought unless until I am not convinced, how can I convince anybody else? People said it's very simple. दाढ़ी चिपका दो, पगड़ी पहन दो, अस्सी तुसी कर दो, बन गए सरदार। ऐसा ना होता है भाई। And if you are convinced, if you see like लोग कहते हैं भाई आंखों में ही मालूम पड़ रहा है, that is the way I think an actor should be like a chameleon. अब कई एक्टर हैं जो जिम जाते हैं, 6 पैक्स बनाते हैं, बाइसेप्स ट्राइसेप्स, भाई जिम जाके बाइसेप्स ट्राइसेप्स 6 पैक्स बना के आपको पूरी एक्टिंग आ गई, आपने एक्टिंग सीख ली। भाई 6 पैक्स तो हमारे भी हैं, हमने जिम जाके नहीं बनाए हैं, हमने फौज में मजदूरी करके बने हैं हमारे। So anyhow, so आप लोग वो जरूर देखिएगा। इसके अलावा now let me tell you about this. Thank you very much. Thanks Kavita, very sweet of you, and I am so impressed. You are a technical expert यार। खट मैंने मैंने impromptu बोला कि आपने लगा दिया। अगर on this note जब कर ही रहे हैं तो अगर आपको इतराज ना हो, एक हल्का सा एक छोटा सा वीडियो है of हैदर। तो मोहम्मद अली, हाँ YouTube है, just put my name with Heather, मोहम्मद अली शाह हैदर, वो आपको caught you. Who are you messaging? Sashay, are you messaging me? I hope you're messaging me only. वो मेरा फोन पे भी आएगा नहीं मैसेज। एक आर्ट मैंने सीखी है कि ऊपर देख के भी आप मैसेज कर सकते हो भाई। बताइए वो आर्ट क्या है? वो आर्ट ऐसी है, मैंने किया हुआ है। When I'm sitting on TV panels on debates, no. So what I do is, I'll explain to you after this.
Should I start?
Yeah, please. नहीं कोई बात नहीं, ऑडियो इज नॉट देयर इन दिस ओनली फॉर फर्स्ट इनिशियल 30 seconds. That's perfectly fine. It's normal. Go ahead. That is me, the army major with this binoculars and standing there, the commander. And the men were all ex-servicemen. ये पूरे फौज में मेरे पुराने साथी हैं, फौज में हम रह चुके थे साथ में, उनको मैं लेके आया था। तो आप इनके स्टांस देखिए, see their body language, see the way they are holding their weapons. You give it to an actor, the way he will hold it, and the way we who have trained in the army, we would hold it. अभी तो
अंदर छोड़ के बाहर आ जाओ। मारा जाओगे। साहब अंदर सिर्फ अखलाक लतीफ जिंदा है, बाकी 2 मिलिटेंट मारे गए। रेनफोर्समेंट भेज दे।
No bloody militant, dead or alive, is worth my soldier's life.
थैंक यू। तो इस तरीके से मैं बहुत काम किया वैसे मैंने I have done a lot of other films and but no one can recognize me in a way it's a compliment. Why? Because I've done it in different get-ups. हालांकि हुलिया में किया है मैंने, and because I'm an artist, I'm a craftsman, I have believed in portraying that character honestly and truthfully to how it is supposed to be portrayed, not try to peep from it. देखो देखो मेरी शक्ल देखो, मैं स्टार हूँ, मैं अली हूँ ना, and I know very well I can play a glamorous role, I can also play a very unglamorous role with equal ease at the same time. अगर आप एक्टर हैं तो आप हीरो भी बन सकते हैं, विलन भी। थैंक्स ममता, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू फॉर द क्लैप। तो आप कॉमेडियन भी बन सकते हैं, आप सपोर्टिंग एक्टर भी कर सकते हैं। You should be able to do everything and I did all that. So anyhow, coming back to the point, is pandemic में how to convert an adversity into an opportunity? I have given online motivational talks. I have performed plays. I've done theater online. Mumbai Theatre Guide, it's an online app where they do the best theater production online. वहाँ पे I've had a thunderous response with them. I've tied up with Whistling Woods International, the Andheri based studio, and the Mumbai Theatre Guide. अब 30 जुलाई को फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, 31 जुलाई को एक वेब सीरीज में रिलीज हो रही है, उसका नाम बदली किया है, तो आई डोंट नो, इट्स ऑन सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स में फेसबुक पे है उसकी डिटेल्स। फिर उसके बाद 15 अगस्त को एक फिल्म और रिलीज हो रही है। उस तरीके से नाउ व्हेन द गोइंग गेट्स टफ, द टफ गेट ऑनलाइन, आई एम ट्रूली लिविंग अप टू दैट। Anyhow, I can go on talking to you all and I'm enjoying it. I don't think I've ever got a chance like this to speak to so many wonderful ladies like that. तो आप में से किसी को भी कुछ भी किसी को भी कुछ कहना है, अंडे मारने हैं, प्याज मारनी है या टमाटर मारने हैं, आप मार सकते हैं, पूरी इजाजत है आपको। और अगर आप क्योंकि टमाटर अंडे मारेंगे ना, आपका ही लैपटॉप या आईपैड खराब होएगा। हम तो यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं मस्त एक तरीके से बुलेट प्रूफ की तरह। Go ahead. Please ask me. Please ask whatever you want to ask.
So what a wonderful journey you had, Major Ali. Absolutely fantastic. So, I mean, इतना diverse आपका experience है, from army, Bollywood, theatre, motivational speaker, and truly you are a storyteller that we've seen today. Story shower, I will say, not storyteller, but story shower. Absolutely fantastic. So any questions if anyone has? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? I will just check on the chat. So since now we know that you're coming up with so many movies, अब movies में हम लोग खोजेंगे कि आप कहाँ हो। Very nice. Ragini, you did not get a chance to introduce him.
Payal has lifted a hand. But Payal, आपको वीडियो ऑन करना पड़ेगा भाई।
Yeah.
अरे लोकेश भाई, brother, one big hug to you. आपको मैं इसका अगर टाइम होगा लोकेश भाई क्या बताऊंगा, इन्होंने कितनी मदद करी मेरी अनजाने में, मतलब he is a very well meaning man, he's got such great intentions, and when you help someone with such good intention, I will tell you the outcome also what happens, really. Lokesh, you got to hear this.
I'm listening.
अभी सुनाऊं, कब सुनाऊं?
नहीं, ask Kavita, she is the host.
Yeah, absolutely.
The host, as long as she's the host, it's fine. Not the ghost, no.
The good news is she is not like me who will say, Ali, 5 minutes more, you need to leave the stage.
क्योंकि
पिक्चर तो
अभी बाकी है.
पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, ये तो ट्रेलर है. What do you say, Ritu?
So,
Ragini has got different names. From Ragini, she's become Arav.
With Ali's and Kavita's permission, I'll just share. I invited him to Hyderabad first time.
Yeah.
And he was the last speaker of the day, and the event was already beyond schedule. You know, it was almost about past 9. We had about 200 plus people in the room, with about 100 plus, very women who are known in the city. Right from the FICCI Flow chairperson to the DGP of Hyderabad, and everybody were there. And Ali was given 20 minutes with a 10 minutes cushion, is what we had planned. And aadhe ghante ho gaye, and then I had to, I was sitting the first one, like, Ali, wind up, Ali, wind up. And Ali being Ali, it was 9:30, 9:45 in the night. Imagine people are waiting for dinner at Trident Hotel. And he, in his own style, told everybody, Lokesh wants me to stop. Stop it. And they said, no, please continue. And people are like, Lokesh, wherever you are, please keep quiet. So that's how it has been.
Good fun, yeah, good fun. Great fun. उसके बाद लोकेश भाई ने क्या करा? I'll tell you this play of mine. It's called the Major Actors Assorted Monologues. जब इसका आइडिया तैयार किया मैंने, I went to very big theatre personalities. I said, भाई ये आइडिया है मेरे दिमाग में, मेरे को ये प्ले करना है, 3.5 घंटे का सोलो मोनोलॉग है. I'll be the lead and the only actor on stage. Sorry, I will try. But I don't know if my hotspot, अगर मैं यहाँ पे दूंगा तो आप तो वहाँ तक, I don't know where you are, यार. Wait, you want the password?
No, it's my son. I'm sorry. It's like he wants that hotspot.
Okay, hi. His name is Arav, I presume. I saw your name over there. Arav.
Correct.
So actually, it will not reach. So you can.
No, Ali, her son is asking for a hotspot.
Hi. Oh. All right. So anyhow, so listen. Hello. Can you all hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Mic testing. आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Yes.
अच्छा, तो no one had faith in this idea कि भाई वो प्ले ये बंदा कर पाएगा. बड़े लोगों के पास गया, कोई किसी ने, सबने मना किया, यार मोहम्मद अली शाह का प्ले देखने कौन आएगा भाई? कौन जानता है मोहम्मद अली शाह को? है प्ले मैं करूंगा जरूर. I started practicing for this play. दिन के 18, 20 घंटे पागलों की तरह जुनून सर पे सवार कमरे को बंद करके अंदर रिहर्सल कर रहे हैं. I went on social media, promoted on Facebook, Twitter, BBM, WhatsApp, email, everyone. If I would see someone randomly at the airport, in the mall, on the road, I would invite him. मेरा play है, इस तारीख को आप आएगा जरूर, हाँ? And finally, the day came. I took out posters. बारिश में, Bombay के monsoons में, Bombay floods in monsoons.
Yeah.
3/4 पहन के और वो अपने Crocs पहन के, Crocs are waterproof. वो पहन के मैं गया. चिपकाए posters, Prithvi, NCPA, Sophia, St. Andrews, NCPA, हर जगह पे. The leading coffee shops in Mumbai, the permission लेके मैं चिपकाए. One-man army. And the day came finally to open this show with much pomp and style, with much pomp and show. My brother flew down from Delhi with a friend of his, so 2 of them, वो आए Bombay, in a 550-seater auditorium. लोकेश भाई बोर हो गए, भाग गए. So so in a 550-seater auditorium, can you guess the strength?
That's how he keeps everyone glued.
So in a 550-seater auditorium, can you guess कितने लोग आए थे?
Double.
Unimaginable. Okay, you are.
Devika is writing only 7 people.
अरे देविका को मालूम है, देविका हैज हर्ड माय टॉक व्हिच मींस मैंने देविका हैज हर्ड माय टॉक पकड़ा गया. ओके कहां गया अभी? I cannot see I told you I'm technically challenged so I can't really see the chat box but anyway भैया कुल मिला के 7 लोग आए मेरे प्ले के लिए. उसमें से 2 तो मेरा भाई और उसका दोस्त, 4 लोग मेरे स्कूल के थे, माय स्कूल फ्रेंड्स. शशि इज लाफिंग लाइक दिस वहां देख के. ओके सो कुल मिला के 7 लोग आए एंड मैंने कहा भैया 4 तो मेरे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स थे एंड एक शख्स आए जिन्होंने इसका एड पढ़ा था फॉर अ फ्री शो, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री शो. Any actor would be demoralized, any speaker would be demoralized, any performer would be demoralized, any artist would be demoralized to see such a thin audience. But I started performing, कोई बात नहीं. और मेरे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स थे, 4 थे. उन्होंने कहा भाई बुरा मत मानना, हम बस तुम्हारा जज्बा, तुम्हारा पैशन, तुम्हारा जुनून जानते हैं, वो देखने के, वो encourage करने के लिए आए. We've come here to support you. We'll be getting up and going after a while, after 20 minutes, so don't mind at all. ठीक है, I don't mind. I started performing. आधा घंटा हो गया, 20 मिनट वाली पार्टी गई नहीं अब तक. 1.5 घंटा हो गया, 3 घंटे हो गए, 3.5 घंटे हो गए. All 7 of them were sitting there glued to their seats and looking. And they got up and they gave me a standing ovation. बाद में लोगों ने मेरे को फोन किया, सुना तुम्हारा प्ले फ्लॉप हो गया यार, इतनी मेहनत की थी, कोई लोग आए नहीं. मैंने नहीं, सुपरहिट था यार. सुपरहिट कहाँ है? 7 लोग आए ना. 7 लोग आए but they gave me a standing ovation. Which meant it was a hit. You can't compare the medium of a film and theater. It's different. भैया उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Within less than 9 months, I traversed a journey of the same play. 10 days के बाद वही play मेरा था पृथ्वी थिएटर में, बम्बई में, पृथ्वी हाउस में.
Yeah.
And it's named after पृथ्वीराज. लोकेश भाई जहाँ पे हम मिले थे वहाँ पे चाय पे, वहीं पे. So and my dear friend and family, ईशान पुरी, नंदा पुरी, ओम पुरी साहब, wife and son. I told them भैया मेरा प्ले है, ओपनिंग पे ही कोई नहीं आया, इसमें तो आप संभाल लेना यार, कुछ लोग आ जाएं कम से कम, more than 7 I'll be very happy. तो we said, we made an idea. हम क्या करेंगे ना, हम एडवर्टाइज करेंगे कि भाई एक वड़ा पाव और एक थम्स अप मिलेगी अगर आप प्ले देखने के लिए आओगे तो कम से कम वड़ा पाव खाने के लिए लोग आ जाएंगे ना. तो जोक, बट इट वाज अ टिकटेड शो नाउ एट पृथ्वी. अब भैया फ्री में कोई नहीं आया, टिकटेड शो के लिए कौन क्यों आएगा भाई. बट क्या हुआ इस बार? I received a house full.
Wow.
और जितने लोग अंदर आ चुके थे उससे 4 गुना ज्यादा लोग बाहर थे, उनको टिकट नहीं मिल रहा था. So I had to do a special show again for them.
Wow.
And वो दिन, and within 9 months, I had traversed a journey where I had performed. Thank you very much, Kavita. Thank you, Mamta. So I had performed this play right from Delhi, Mumbai. Thank you very much for your claps, Vandana. Thank you, everyone. I performed this play in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Chennai, Cochin, Srinagar, Chandigarh. You name the place where I had not performed this play. और खास कोलकाता में किया था. I told you वहाँ पे, वहीं पे ही अपनी शशि डुगर मैडम आई थी.
अच्छा, okay.
Much attitude लेके, ठाए. Joking. Okay, I just pull her leg. Yeah, she's a very dear friend, so I just pull her leg, so don't mind. So now what happened is, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? I took this play abroad. I took it to Kuwait, and वहाँ पे बाहर विदेशों में किया. And I have performed this play length and breadth of the country. 3.5 hours play, no stage, no set, no props, no lights, no music, no costumes, pure storytelling.
Wow.
Invoking the imagination of the listeners. और सुनिए आप, और क्या 9वें महीने में लोकेश भाई ने जो मदद करी वो सुनिए आप. वही प्ले जिसके लिए कोई आना नहीं चाह रहा था फ्री में, शुरू में हाउसफुल जा रहे थे अब, और इसका एक टिकट 5,000 रुपए का बिक रहा था. थैंक्स टू लोकेश नथानी भाई. इन्होंने जिस तरीके से एग्रेसिव मार्केटिंग करी, इन्होंने मेरे को ये बात समझाई. ये गुरु है हमारे, मेंटोर भी हैं. नहीं हंसो मत, बात फैक्ट है. इन्होंने ये मूल मंत्र दिया मेरे को. देखो, एबिलिटी जो आप में है और विजिबिलिटी, इनका कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए. इन्होंने विजिबिलिटी भी ला दी. भैया हैदराबाद से लेके हैदराबाद टाइम्स से लेके कौन सा अखबार नहीं था जब मैं हैदराबाद ट्राइडेंट में परफॉर्म किया था ये प्ले? एक अखबार बता दो मेरे को, रीजनल टू द नेशनल लेवल, द बिगेस्ट और स्मॉल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया का चैनल बता दो एक, जहां पे लोकेश भाई ने इसके बारे में एडवर्टाइज नहीं किया हो, लोगों को बताया ना हो, धड़ 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 एवरीवेयर। और तो और सुनिए भैया, मैंने पैसे भी कमाए, जितनी उम्मीद करी थी उससे कई ज्यादा पैसे कमाए मैंने। इट वाज हिज जेनरोसिटी एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ यार,
amazing.
yeah I was like,
so there are endless stuffs with Major Ali, cutting everything short. Sorry, interrupting you, Ali, Major Saab. And the thing is, like, we two women have lots of things within us, and we can, it's like obviously have Major Saab ka, if he gives us time, and then we can also have the skills within us, and take we have that visibility, and it's like convert everything into something very good, creative.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। अब आप सब मेरे पीछे बोलेंगे ये टंग ट्विस्टर, 3 टंग ज्यादा नहीं, वी नॉट 10-15 नहीं, 3, ठीक है, सिर्फ 3 पे रखेंगे इस बार। सुनिए, आप सब रिपीट करेंगे मेरे बाद, ध्यान से सुनिए। टू बी अ गुड स्पीकर यू गॉट टू बी अ गुड लिसनर, टू बी अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर यू गॉट टू लिसन वेरी वेल। तो सुनिए आप।
Kavita, you have to unmute everybody if people
I have allowed them to unmute themselves.
अच्छा नहीं, अभी तो सुनिए, उसके बाद सुनने के बाद आप सब बोलेंगे, ठीक है? She, not you. This one, the one who's wearing this is she. Yeah, you. अब मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, आपके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ, तो आप समझ लें कौन आप। मोहतरमा, आप सुनिए, आपको ये बोलना है, she sells seashells on the seashore, but the seashells on the seashore are not seashells at all. Peter Piper, not Lokesh Nathani, Peter Piper, okay? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? Not Ragini Agarwal, but Betty Butter. Betty the name, Butter the surname, okay? So Betty Butter bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty Butter bought a bit of better butter to make the bitter butter better. बोलिए अब आप लोग, ये क्या होता है?
We are very good listeners. We are very good listeners. And
Manisha Tibrewal is
some butter was bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Yeah, and
Absolutely.
she sells seashells on the seashore.
Very good. I'm very impressed. अब ये भी बोलिए आप. It's a very complicating secret, हाँ, बहुत complicating. बोलूँगा, सुनिए, करिए बहुत थोड़ा. All of you come closer. Come closer, yaar. I am my own grandpa. What did I just say? I said I am my own grandpa. Let me explain to you how. Oh, I am my own grandpa. It sounds funny, I know, but really so, I am my own grandpa. Now let me explain to you how. Oh, many years ago, when I was 23, I was married to a widow who was as pretty as could be. Now, this widow had a grown-up daughter who had hair so red that my father fell in love with her, and soon the two were wed. Now, this made my dad my son-in-law and changed my very life, for my daughter now became my mother, since she became my father's wife. Now, to complicate the matter, though it brought me joy, I soon became the father of a bouncing baby boy. Now, this little baby of mine then became a brother-in-law to dad, and so became my uncle, for it made me very sad. For if this little baby of mine was my uncle, then that made him the brother of the widow's grown-up daughter, who, of course, by now was my stepmother. My father's wife then had a son who kept them on the run, and he became my grandchild, for he was my stepdaughter's son. Now, my wife is now my stepmother's mother. And it makes me blue, because although she is my wife, she is my grandmother too. Now, if my wife is my grandmother, then obviously I am her grandchild. And every time I think of this, by God, it nearly drives me wild. For now I've become the strangest case you ever saw. As husband of my own grandma, I am my own
Grandpa.
grandpa. It sounds funny and complicating, I know, but really so. Thank you very much. But you know, I see वंदना मेहता जी तो गाड़ी पकड़ के सुन के भाग गई. अब वो गाड़ी में भैया ये हमसे नहीं होगा, हमसे नहीं छा, वो गाड़ी में बैठ गई और सवार फरार. Say hi to everyone in the car. So I can go on, huh? I can go on. तो आप बताइए, कभी अंत नहीं होगा.
थैंक यू सो मच मेजर अली शाह. हाँ, आप प्ले का नाम बताइए जो आपने लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द कंट्री में किया है.
It's called the Major Actors Assorted Monologues. एक तरीके से एक दास्तान बयां करते हैं, किस्सा सुनाते हैं तो दास्तान गोई, एक किस्सा बयां करते हैं तो किस्सा गोई. So it's basically about 3 monologues. But if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it further,
I already did.
And I know when ladies like you share it, भैया किसी की मजाल है वो रीशेयर नहीं करेंगे. और मैं आप पे काउंट कर रहा हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ कितने इसके सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलते हैं.
Absolutely.
कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है, बस मैं पॉजिटिविटी स्प्रेड करना चाहता हूँ, and that positivity would be spread for sure.
तो Zoom पे आपके उस प्ले को हम देख सकते हैं?
हाँ, बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं. बल्कि उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग है उसमें, मेरे YouTube चैनल में, आप उसमें जाइए, उसमें भी मिल जाएगी आपको.
Thank you.
Most welcome, Manisha.
So wonderful session, Major Ali, with you. Ragini, I will request you to give the vote of thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, Major Ali Saab. And it was very, very grateful of you to readily accept the request. It was within a day's time, I think. And, you know, I'm just 2 to 3 days old member of Cafe. I think, you know, that's what, right? Kavita Di?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so, and the way, you know, she has been working towards the women member, you know, insisted me, and I saw Major Saab's work. And I felt like, yes, you know, this is the time, this is the right time to have him here and to get the, you know, people, the women of Kolkata. I have that thing in me, you know, Kolkata ki women ke liye kuch karna hai. So, you know, I said, why not to put him here and get the best out of it. And he readily accepted it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me over. It's been an honor. It's been a real pleasure.
It was actually really nice to have such a humble person like you. आपने 16 बार TEDx platform पर जाकर बोला है, so which is like how much time?
It's not only one thing, you know,
I know,
multi-talented.
Absolutely. So when I saw your profile just now on Facebook, so left side में there is a long list of that work जो हम लोग add करते हैं, what you are doing. So I think you have already 15-17 things over there. So commendable, Major Ali, and we hope to meet you in person also soon when things normalize. And bestest wishes to you in whatever you do. And thank you for making us proud. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. It was a pleasure to have you on a Sunday afternoon, Major Ali.
Thank you very much, Kavita. Thank you very much, Ritu, Ragini. Ragini को मैं रितु बोलूँगा, भाई इसकी भी कहानी है. क्या कहानी है वो मैं बाद में सुनाऊँगा अगली बार.
Next time, definitely. Yeah, sure. So
Ashri, thank you for coming, यार. तुम तो आ गई कम से कम. Lokesh bhai, brother, I love you, brother.
But you didn't said how you are related to Naseeruddin sir.
हमारा रिश्ता है एक मेंटोर और एक मेंटी का, एक गुरु और शिष्य का. लोकेश भाई बताएंगे, बोलिए.
So, you know, Ali's father and Mr. Naseeruddin Shah. So, you know, the Lieutenant General Jamruddin Shah, Ali's father, and Mr. Naseeruddin Shah, both are brothers, real brothers from the same mother. Okay.
Oh,
So
Chacha.
Nasir Bhai is Ali's Chacha. Okay.
Okay.
And you all have heard about a lady in Calcutta by name Saira Shah Halim. Some of you must have heard. Saira is Ali's elder sister, own elder sister from the same mother.
Okay.
So that is so it's a celebrity family.
His
father retired as the Deputy Chief of the Indian Army, as the Lieutenant General Jamruddin Shah. He authored a book as well. And you talk to anybody in his batch or even outside his batch. When I've interacted with a lot of people from the army, and the moment I take his name, he used to be known as Zoom. Okay, he used to be known as Zoom. So the moment I take his name with any army guy, they are like, my God, that man was man of principles and never did anything wrong in his life. And he is absolutely, you must invite him sometime with Ali's help. If Ali is this much you liked Ali, you like Zoom uncle this much. I can tell you that.
So please connect Lokesh Bhaiya.
Lokesh's family totally. You know, my parents have very, very high regards for him. Very high regards for him. And recently, Lokesh se Mumbai mein, Powai mein mile the, you know, and it was like a super.
Thank you. And
of course, Sarah, my sister, and Lokesh are very dear.
Lokesh Bhaiya was our first mentor at Cafe. So he joined as the mentor when we just started. So he had that belief ki, you are doing really good. Whatever you've thought is really needed. So his faith was there. And thank you so much, Lokesh Bhaiya, for that.
Any time for you. So people don't know, but I've known Kavita for now.
Abhi to age mat bolo, Lokesh Bhaiya.
We have known each other as
long time bolo, long time.
आप बोलो उसको क्यों बीच में डाल रहे हो?
Since 87.
Wow.
Kavita, you're that old?
No, not
older than that.
She was a little kid.
You mean she was just born that time?
So her brother Pankaj and me.
Yeah, yes.
And he taught.
Yeah, just 20 Kavita di. You can't say anything. आज सब आपके एज के पीछे पड़ा हो.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for such a wonderful session. It was light and very nice. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you and bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
भाई YouTube चैनल को कर देना सब्सक्राइब, शेयर कर देना पक्का से, हैं?
Definitely.
मोहम्मद अली शाह पक्का. वो मेल आ जाएगी अभी सब्सक्रिप्शन की, ठीक है? I'm commenting on you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you Dhwani, thank you. Dhwani शाह ने बोला क्योंकि हमारा सरनेम कॉमन है ना, वो भी शाह, हम भी शाह.
Thank you.
Thank you.